What's up y'all, welcome to yet another video. This is your boy Amit and today I will be showing you how to build your problems with AI as the solution. The genesis of this video came about because I had a problem that I wanted to solve, and instead of going out and looking for a tool, I just built it myself. Want to show you what I built. Also want to share with you all the tools that I have found along the way that some cool people are building. And with that, let's get started. Alright, before we begin, this was part of the reason why I made this video. One was my pain point that I wanted to solve, and around that same time I came across this X post by Lenny Rachitsky, and he asked what tools have people using vibe coding. So what vibe coded tools have people created, whether it's a Cursor, Bolt, Lovable, Replit, you name it, right? And you can see there's 546 comments. So I asked Grok to summarize this, and here are some of the tools, and I'll show you what these websites look like. So first one, Taskmaster, a CLI tool developed by EAL, who I will be hopefully interviewing soon on this channel. So this one is created to manage tasks for AI agents in Cursor, turning PRDs into structured dependency aware tasks. I've had this problem. I tried using Cursor. I thought I was using Cursor just like Lovable, but Cursor is a completely different beast. It's kind of like an IDE similar to VS Code, and I don't know how to write code. So I'm glad that EAL has built this, and he even mentioned on the tweet that this has about 50,000 downloads. And this is what Taskmaster AI looks like. That's the website taskmaster.dev, and I haven't personally tried it, but I am going to be using it because I just started using Cursor. I want to make sure that I use it right. So this I can see already being a great tool, and this was built using vibe coding. How crazy is that? So that's the first one. Then this next one is Lash Tracker, a tool to try eyelash application. I don't get the concept of it, but that's because I'm a guy. However, this was created by Jackie using Replit, and this is what the tool looks like. Lash Map Tracker, track your Lashify applications with photos, gossamer selection, etc. Again, I have no clue, but for the one girl watching this video, I'm sure you know what she's talking about. So that one was built with Replit. Again, these are all vibe coded tools, and it's getting easier and easier to build cool stuff. Then I have some other tools, and I will leave a link to this X post in the comments or in the description of this video. So go check it out. There's some hidden gems in there. I'm actually talking to a few of these people who have built these cool tools on the channel. So if you want to see those interviews, make sure you press the subscribe button so you'll get notified when I release that video. So the next one that I wanted to showcase is level up your Midjourney art with prompt cache. If I go back to the X post, you can see Dreaming Tulpa created prompt cache to store Midjourney style references. I use Midjourney, so I can see this being a very useful tool. Next one is Flowbound Forest. In this forest, your feelings take physical form, and then here it says inhale for 4 seconds, and then you have to sign up or you can continue as guest. So the idea of the Flowbound app, which is made by Sue, is to give games for users to play when they find themselves procrastinating, and those games will help you get back into the groove of work. So that's Flowbound. The next one is to build your first project. This one is clockout.gg, and I signed up for this. Another cool tool, basically shows you that you're not alone in your corner building things. If you log into clockout.gg, you can see how many users are online and who's clocking in the hours every single day to build that first project. Super cool tool. Next one is connectwithme.at. This is for networking when you are out at events and you want to network with people. What this app allows you to do is have a QR code on your phone as a wallpaper, and when someone scans it, so you bump into someone, they're like, hey, how do I get in touch with you? You are fumbling to get your LinkedIn URL to then text it to them or airdrop it to them. Now you can just have this wallpaper, and this, when you scan, will take you to a page that looks like this. This is similar to a card.co or any other one-page builder where you can create a profile, but super cool concept that it also comes with the QR code that you can use as your wallpaper on the event floor. This next one is launch ready brands in minute. So this is all about branding, including your logo, and the website is anymark.co, also built using AI. I think this person used Cursor to build it. This next one is actually built in Claude and lives in Claude, and it's an artifact. So someone created this and they shared it publicly. And what this does is allows you to upload a transcript of a conversation, and then you can get some insights on the conversation, on what was the conversation about, what were the missed opportunities, etc., etc. So this is similar to a tool like an Apollo or any call analysis tool where your call can be fed to AI and then it'll do the analysis for you. Next one is a renting or buying home ownership quiz built by K. I don't know, I hope I'm saying your name right. What's cool about this is K has also put his affiliate link here on how he built this calculator, which was using this app called Build Your Own Apps course, and he candidly calls out that this is a affiliate link. So kudos to you, K, for not only building a cool tool but also leading me to a course that can potentially teach me how to build more cool tools like that. Now, with that, I want to come to why I made this video. So this is what my process has been for the past few months is I create a video and I create that in Descript. It's like GIF or GIF, however you want to say it, right? And Descript is a tool that allows you text editing. So I can highlight the text. It's a transcript based editor. If you haven't checked it out, some tons of amazing YouTube videos, please go check it out. But that's not the point. The point is when I finish a video recording in Descript, I take that text. Now Descript has AI tools. It didn't before, but my workflow was still stuck with what I was used to. So I would put that transcript inside of ChatGPT and then I would give it all of these prompts one at a time. Now I can use something like a text expander, so I don't have to always copy paste these and just put it in ChatGPT. But because we can build tools today, I wanted to build something. So I went to Lovable, which is my vibe coding platform that I like to use. I've also tried Cursor. Cursor does have a little bit of a technical curve to get over, but again, there are tons of videos. So if Cursor is something you like, please feel free to use that. The tool doesn't matter, the end result does. So first, let me show you what I started with, and then I'm going to show you the final result. So this is what I started with. First, the executive summary in Lovable about what I was trying to achieve. And what I was trying to achieve is essentially every time I put in my transcript, I want to be able to do those repeatable steps so I don't have to copy paste everything in ChatGPT every single time. So that was my prompt here. I had manus.im write this prompt. It was too big. Then I had ChatGPT kind of condense it to fit into Lovable. In retrospect, I should have used Taskmaster, but this tool was built before I found out about Taskmaster. So I'm curious to see how it would spit out the results once I have run it through Taskmaster. That being said, this is what the final result looks like. So what I can do is it starts over here, and I'm going to put in a transcript for one of my newer videos. So let me go grab that and paste it in here so I can show you how this tool works. All right, I have copied the transcript from one of my latest YouTube videos, pasting it in here. And then what I want to do from here is figure out what titles I want to generate. So you can see this tool is working. I've also integrated my OpenAI API key so that I can choose the different OpenAI models similar to what I would do inside of the ChatGPT interface. So here I have my 3 titles to pick from. If I don't like them, I'm going to go and pick 3 more titles. Now, I don't create enough videos that this is going to cost me any money. I make 2 to 3 videos a week. You figure each time I run through all 5 steps, it's probably going to cost me a few cents, but it's going to save me the time from copying and pasting it in ChatGPT. And it was also a cool experience to build something like this. So here I have my generated titles. Then I get my YouTube description. So again, I do the same thing. What's cool is the app has been programmed to remember the titles so I don't lose them and continue to build upon that. So now I have my description for my YouTube video. I can copy that, or I can simply move on to the next one, which is my thumbnail. Now this thumbnail part is what's been giving me problem. So I do need to debug it, talk to Lovable and see how I can get it to work better. But for now, this is what my thumbnail prompt looks like. So I can again copy this thumbnail prompt, take it to my favorite AI tool, have it build, create the thumbnail and then edit it in Canva, so on and so forth. And then finally, we have our video tags. So if you have ever uploaded a public video on YouTube, there is an option for you to put in some tags. So these are the tags that it comes back with, and these are already comma separated because all of those prompts have been programmed inside of Lovable in the backend, so the AI know exactly what I want. And then finally, after I have done all of that, I also create a email for my email list to let them know, hey, my new video is live. Please go check it out. So this email broadcast will go to my audience. Now, what's super cool is the AI has been also trained, or Lovable has been given the instruction that, hey, everything you spit out has to be in the context window of that video. So every single thing that has been spit out here was in that same video's context. And that is what the tool I was able to build. Now, if you want to build something similar, you can check out Lovable, you can check out Cursor, Bolt, Replit, Claude AI. There are so many platforms that can help you do that. And there you have it. Those are some of the cool tools that I've come across. There were 526 odd responses in that tweet at the time of this recording. That means I have a lot more to go through. And I'm sure that's just the tip of the iceberg. So if you have a cool tool that you have built, I would love to have you on the show. Go check out the description to reach out to me, set up an interview, and I would love to chat about what you have built, how you built it, so we can help others build cool things like you. With that, don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you get notified next time I release a video. And until next time, keep creating.